The Starlink Gen 3 mount from NeoTI offers an all-inclusive mounting solution for your Starlink device, ensuring a seamless setup on both roofs and exterior walls. Constructed with a durable metal framework, this mount provides reliable stability and features an innovative gear adjustment design that allows for angle customization up to 110 degrees. It boasts a height-adjustable retractable pipe ranging from 17.3 to 23.6 inches, plus a 360-degree rotation capability to optimize signal reception. The mount's clever cable management system effectively conceals cables, enhancing its visual appeal while protecting them from harsh weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with all necessary hardware and a detailed instruction manual included, allowing for quick assembly in just a few minutes. This heavy-duty mounting kit is ideal for Starlink users seeking a robust and versatile solution to support their satellite equipment.